I realized as I was reviewing the last video in problem 4, I called the rectangles triangles at one point. It just misspoke. Number 5, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Find the length of BC, and we can see down here that that length has a question mark. That's one of the things we're trying to find. And the measurement of angle C, again, that's got a question mark. We're trying to find that angle. The angle C is going to be the easiest one because we know the corresponding angles of similar triangles are congruent. So we squeeze a C in there. Oh, let me do it again. Angle C equals, the corresponding angle to angle C would be angle Z. Or I think it would be. Let's check the similarity statement to make sure that those letters are in the same position. C is the last letter for this triangle, and Z is the last letter for that triangle. So the similarity statement has the corresponding angles in the same position. So angle C equals angle Z, and angle Z is 70, so angle C is also 70 degrees. That was easy. Side CB is going to be a little tougher. Let's call side CB X for now, variable. And we know we have to set up a ratio, or no, a proportion showing the ratios of corresponding sides. So I definitely want to have a ratio with X in it so I can solve for X. X over the corresponding side in XYZ would be 20 meters. X over 20 equals, now I went this way from the large triangle to the small triangle, so make sure you're consistent. I'm going to take side AC and compare it to the corresponding side, which is XZ. So 21 over 14. Now I can cross multiply and solve that equation, but before I even do that, I'm going to make life easier on myself and take this 21 over 14 off to the side and simplify it. I can see that there's a common factor of 7 there. So divide the numerator and denominator by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So easier way of writing this proportion would be X over 20 equals 3 over 2. Now when I cross multiply, 3 times 20 equals 2 times X, or 2X. 3 times 20 is 60. 60 equals 2X. Divide both sides by 2, you can see that X equals 30. The units are meters. Like I said in class, always put that dimension on your triangle. Look at it, make sure it looks like it makes sense to you. 21, 33, 30. Those all look like reasonable measurements for the, the measurement that we calculated looks like a reasonable measurement for that triangle. 20 to 30, 22 to 33, all the ratios look like they make sense, so I'm pretty confident that my answer is correct. Okay, number 6. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Which side of XYZ corresponds to AC? That's easy. AC are the first and last letters of this similarity statement. XZ are the first and last letters of this similarity statement. So the answer to this is side XZ. Now let's look at the triangles and just make sure we agree with that. Side AC is this side, and XZ is this side. But you can see that here's our right angle. You can see that the triangle's been flipped over, so that is, or flipped around, or upside down, however you want to describe it, but those are corresponding sides. And the next question asks us, how does angle Z compare to angle C? Here's angle Z, here's angle C. Let's look at the similarity statement. C and Z are the last letters, so they are corresponding angles, so they're equal. Or better way to say this would be angle Z is equal to angle C. Okay, we'll pick up the review with problem 7 on the next video.